Hello everyone, and we're coming back for another review. If you haven't tried these, well, I'm only drinking one. Not sure how good they are. Each one is, but I'm starting out with the grape. This one's Nature's Fury NutriDrink. And yes, it's caffeine free if you want to know, guys. 80 calories, no total fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 25 milligrams of sodium, 20 carbohydrates, no dietary fibers, 19 grams of sugars, 15 grams added sugars, no protein. You're getting your vitamin D. You're getting your calcium, only 10 milligrams. No iron. Potassium you're getting. Vitamin A you're getting. You're getting vitamin C, niacin, vitamin B6 looks like, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, and magnesium. You're also getting electrolytes, antioxidants, 15% real juice, pure cane sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no high fructose corn syrup, kosher certified, soy free, nut free. It's vegan, gluten free, and as I said, caffeine free. Now let's see if this will taste like grape. Love me some grapes. If it's grape flavor, ooh, this one is something I would buy.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to get my. So. Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. That grape one rocked. Alright, be right back. I'm gonna go for the strawberry banana now. That's good. Mmm. Hold up, people. That grape one rocked. Here's the strawberry banana one. 80 calories, no total fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 25 milligrams of sodium, 20 grams of total carbohydrates, no dietary fibers, 19 grams of sugars, 15 grams added sugars, no protein. The bottom is the same thing too as the grape, so I don't have to worry about going over that one. Everything's the same as the grape.
Is it like.
But let's see if it'll taste like that. Strawberry banana.
It's the same way I'll let you get the bottle. Yeah. I was about to.
Not all of these are easy to open. You're getting strawberry banana, alright. Hmm. Both of these, the strawberry banana and the grape one, is good. Would recommend Nature It's Fury NutriDrink. Hmm. If you want something fruity. Well, until I review the other two, I'm Jake Lines out. Later.